Ikiro amatemwa manene yekirasi keri igikome na kabere amatemwa KCSE anyara wika omwerio orituko ria rero nigo bono omwaziri wechisemi omoske Julius Ogamba anyara kora omoroberio bokoigora risakarario omwerio ria physics paper 3 koro ase chinsemo chiria chia ekerenywe gotoka ime ye county ya Nyamira nechinga kecho nigo anyara kwera buna amatemwa yabirika okorekana ase wetania chiwiki sato nigo bono anyare gokorekana ase nchira ere eyabene korene chinga kecho na nyara koraria buna okomaki wa kwa matemwa yo na no ngochiko chake wa ase amatuko amake are obosi omuriketo Fatgad Gisemba buna gotegorera no roboti oro
amatemwa amanene yekirasi kya 12 nigo aika omwerio rituko ria rero ase omwaka oyo ase ritukeri ria rero nigo omowasiri bwechisemi imeyense omoske Julius Migos Ogamba ara okoigorwa we container ya matemwa ase sub-county ya Nyamira North imeye county ya Nyamira oyo boigo oyira chinga kecho na hagokwanera omoroberio oyo iga bwa matemu buna obeire.
For several weeks, center managers have risen as early as 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. to report to the examination container to open it at 7 a.m. daily to collect examination materials. Supervisors and invigilators have prepared examination rooms each morning to ensure that every learner began their prep on time and in a conducive environment. Their consistency and discipline have been central to the success of this examination season. Efforts were made to ensure that every registered candidate sat the examinations, including those hospitalized and willing to participate. We commend the resilience of these candidates. Sadly, we lost some of the candidates during this period. To the families of the deceased learners, we convey our deepest condolences and stand with you in this time of grief.
Ukwanira obungainireria asa matemwa ayo nigo omowasiri oyiga atebire ayayiga.
Isolated cases of malpractice were reported. During the administration of the 2025 KCSE examination, 418 candidates were reported to have engaged in examination malpractices compared to 614 candidates in 2024. This despite the fact that this year we had the largest number of candidates at 3.4 million. Measures include the registration of examination centers, nullification of results, disqualification of candidates, and criminal prosecution where necessary. Impersonation cases will attract severe sanctions, including barring candidates from sitting KCSE until 2027. I wish to emphasize that all reported cases will be thoroughly investigated and appropriate action will be taken in accordance with the KNEC Act, including cancellation of results.
Omoske Migos boigo ukwanire emeroberio eria babekire buna ewizara eriogo cha KNEC buna amachibu asa matemwa ayayiga buna nigo arachikoba ayobwene na boigo obwasioku.
Ministry assures all candidates and the public that fairness will prevail. 32,558 examiners will undertake marking in 40 centers with strict integrity checks in place. Examiners from compromised centers have been disqualified from participation to maintain credibility.
Inganonya amatemwa yayiga a KCSE oika omwerio rituko ria rero nigo aria yechikuru chobobundi arache kogenderera.
A total of 15,266 candidates are sitting business examinations and 38,959 candidates are sitting technical examinations in 752 TVET institutions across the country. These examinations commenced on the 17th of November and will conclude on the 5th of December 2025. The Ministry assures all TVET candidates that the same integrity and fairness applied to KCSE examination will govern these examinations.
Chinkaki echecho nigo omowasiri Ogamba abayenekeria abaibori baria abana babo bakora amatemwa a junior school buna nigo amachibu arache korarigwa omochakano bwo motienyi o 12 erio abaibori banyore chinkaki chinyororo chuko warigania abana babo boikiranu.
The Kenya Junior Secondary Education Assessment is ongoing and all efforts are being made to ensure results are released by the 11th of December 2025. This will enable the ministry to conduct placement of learners into senior school based on their strengths and interests in the 3 pathways. That is, early release will also allow parents to prepare adequately for admission before the festive season. The ministry remains steadfast in its mission to deliver quality education and uphold examination integrity in line with the aspirations of the Constitution and Vision 2030.
Inkoripotera Getembe korwaiga ekerenyo eyegotoka imeye bunge ya North Mugirange County ya Nyamira Njefatigad Gisemba.